Lesson 36, Getting Started with Word Drills. So the first thing they want you to do is actually open Word, and it's in a simulated desktop. So you'll click the little window button to access the Start button, select Word 2016, and then select Blank Document. That's the first task. The next task is to key the text that you see on the right-hand side, but there's no flashing cursor on the screen, so you have to either click on the screen to get it active, or Control F9 will also make it active, and you're going to just type what you see, press enter here, but when I start the next line, I will not press enter at the end when the words end here. I want to use word wraparound and let Word finish the lines for me. So you'll continue type. You will not hit enter after the word create. You'll keep typing, and when it doesn't fit at the end of the line, it'll automatically word wrap, and you'll keep typing. So these 5 lines of text is really only 3. Then you'll select check your work, and it'll let you know if there's any errors, and then you'll continue on to the next screen, the next task. Continue. And then you'll make some changes. So you'll just go through all the tasks here, reading the instructions, and under here, if there's information they want you to key, it would be placed in this area. So you're learning a little bit about Word while you're still enhancing your keyboarding skills. So this one, they want you to save the document. So you'll choose File, Save As, and you'll click Documents, and the name of this one is Module 3. So actually we'll just put it in here. So you just select Module 3 folder, open, and save. And this one you'll continue, you'll save it with a different name. Any questions, just send me an email. Thank you.